Hello everyone, this is May. I'm in my kitchen where most of our videos happen. I just wanted to take this time to thank you all for your viewership here on Family Travel Africa and to wish you all a wonderful new year coming ahead in 2023. Our prayer is that your new year is filled not only with your heart's desires, but with a lot of joy and peace and hopefully some travel. Anyway, we're going to be changing things up a little bit. We have kids growing. We've had to make some adjustments to how we do our videos, and I have a couple that would like to take on more of a independent role in presenting their information and what they're doing. We'll have still our famous kitchen baking, but I think is also going to get creative and bring a little more of his style to Wild Wednesdays. We've lost our oldest two who are doing great videos with lots of information on Africa and sports and other things that they enjoyed. They're just so busy when they're not in school doing tennis, so we've kind of missed out on that. So hopefully they find a way to re-engage with you all, even though we're always here as a family, doing what they love to do. And in case you didn't know, we have the newborn, and so things have shifted around a little bit. Our toddler is no longer the baby anymore, and I think my videos, at least the ones I have made lately, have a lot of voiceover just because I'm not able to physically record some of the stuff that I'm doing while I'm doing it, given the multiple roles I've been playing at home lately. Thank you all. I'm excited for 2023. I can't wait to see what it has in store for us. We've got our own plans, our own thoughts, and we just pray for guidance and hope that the Lord leads the way and we follow. And so looking forward to a wonderful year ahead, and cheers to a new year. Happy New Year.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.